Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Today's broadcast is Become a Service Partner with Donastar. Donastar is a company that I started working with the beginning of this year, and I have nothing but good things to say about them. They work on food and beverage equipment, and they are taking on service partners. So I figured I would do a video presentation to give you a little more information on them and their contact information. About Donastar, we have beverage equipment service partners all throughout the United States. We rely on having multiple options per market to secure the best pricing and timing for our clients. We may not have a technician in your zip code, but we always have a technician that is close by or willing to travel to get the job done. What kind of equipment do they service? Donastar handles nearly all food service and beverage equipment. What is our hourly rate? Our hourly service rates vary between urgency, location, and difficulty of service. We do our best to gather as much information up front from our customers to ensure that we can deliver an accurate and fair price quote. When broken down, our rates typically fall between $75 to $175 per hour. Do you handle national rollout programs? Yes, we are very experienced in national rollout programs and can provide references if needed. We also handle one off jobs as well. Nothing too big or too small for Donastar. Can Donastar help me source equipment? They said yes. We frequently source parts and equipment for our clients. We have built relationships with many manufacturers and distributors, which allows us to offer very competitive rates for our clients. How do I figure out what's wrong with my equipment? Donastar says, check out our video gallery that's on their website. You can check out their video gallery of common troubleshooting tips. We are happy to help troubleshoot if you call us. And here is their number: 833 366 2782. And also, Donastar has their own filtration systems now. So what they say is safer, cleaner, tastier beverages with Donastar water filtration. The Donastar 35 series filters are ideal for reducing and controlling scale in hard water. This model type offers large gallon capacities for the delivery of high quality water at beverage or food applications and ice machines while optimizing equipment performance. So you can also check that out on their website too. They have a breakdown of their filters. This series 35 is just one of the models that they have. They have many other models, so you might want to go and check that out. Makes and models we service. We service all makes and models. Lancer Worldwide, Hoshizaki, Manitowoc, Follett, Middleby, Wonderbar, Isomatic, Cornelius, and more. Contact Donastar to become a service partner at 833 366 2782, or you can reach them at their website, donastar.com. I thank you all for watching. Take care and stay well.